Now let's see more ahead what happened. So now Gaurav Jani is saying towards Srinagar. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. So he said, I spent a few days with the Changapats, but sadly it was time to move on. Means he want to go return now. Now my return journey will take me away from this special part of the world towards towns which look like a totally different world. This time I took a different route from Leh. So now for the return way, he is going to return now at Mumbai. Now for that he took different route, another route from Leh, and he was going towards Srinagar via Kargil. I saw many more amazing buildings and different houses again, he says. So he said she stayed in Srinagar for few days and he was amazed by the houses there. He was surprised, he was amazed by looking the different type of houses. They took his heart away. Some houses are on the mountains and while some are on the water. So he took many pictures of this. See my photo album on page number 70, 128. He is sharing houses of Srinagar. He is taking lots of photo of Srinagar. He saw some houses on the mountain and some houses in the water also. So we will see that. Now see houses of Srinagar. In the first picture, tourists who you can see in the first picture, Gaurav Jani is saying tourists who come to Srinagar love to stay in the houseboat. This is a houseboat, and houseboat can be as long as 80 feet and around 8 to 9 feet wide. So in the second picture, many families in Srinagar live in Donga. This is second picture of Donga. It's a one kind of boat. So Donga, these boats can be seen in Dal Lake and Jhelum River. From inside the Donga is just like a house with different rooms. There are different rooms and like a house, like a hut is looking like hut, long hut, and it's called Donga. In the third picture, beautiful carving on wood can be seen on the ceiling of the houseboat. On the houseboat ceiling, no, we can see this kind of pictures, this kind of carving art in the ceiling of the houses of the in the houseboat, and some big houses also we can see. This design is called Khatamband. What? Khatamband, which has a pattern that took like a jigsaw puzzles. It's look like a jigsaw puzzles. In the fourth picture, in village of Kashmir, houses are made from the stones. Stones cut and kept one on the top of the other and coated with mud. You can see, and wood is also used. These houses have sloping roofs. It's totally coated with the mud and wood also. In the fifth picture you can see some old houses have specially type of window like this, you can see in the picture, and comes out of the wall, and this is called dub. What? Dub. It has beautiful wood pattern. It is wonderful to sit here and enjoy the view, outside view. You can see this window is coming out of the wall. And the last picture, the old house here are made of stones, bricks and woods, and the doors and windows have beautiful arch. It's called mehrab. What? Mehrab. Gaurav is saying ahead, he's here saying when he started his journey, he had not imagined that one state he would see so many different kinds of houses and lifestyle. So before the starting the journey, he could not imagine that, but when he visit these places, he amazed, he wondered, he liked the beautiful places and the structure of the houses. So he had a wonderful experience of living on the mountains in Leh and another of the living on the water in Srinagar also. And he saw how the both of the houses in these areas were made to suit the climate, means according to the climate that house is made for the people. Now he's saying, Gaurajan is saying, when he started his journey. Now return journey of the Gaurojani. He again it was time to move on, and Jammu he saw houses like he have been seeing in Mumbai, the same cement, bricks, steel, and glass. These houses are very strong, but they are not as special as the houses he was lucky to see in Leh and Srinagar. So after long journey, Lunar means Gaurojani's bike and Gaurojani were about to reach Mumbai, and his heart felt heavy. He also felt that his motorcycle did not want to come back. He was happy that he had learned and experienced so many new things, and he had also brought back some memories in his camera. And of course, this was not the end. Next time, when Lunar and he get bored of the city, he will again set out of the new journey. In this way, his journey is finished here. He returned at Mumbai. He carrying lots of experience and golden memories with him, and he will never forget for that. He is saying, and he is sharing his all experience about the journey to us, and he is saying next time he will again arrange, he will again plan some next journey. See, discuss and write. Look at this picture. Can you see any houses in this picture? These houses are made of stone and mud. Nobody lives here in winter. In summer, the uh, Bakarwal people live here when they bring their goats to higher lands of Dazim. Bakarwal means like this we saw in this lesson, no? The like like Changapas. You can see in this picture the one houses here. This house is coated with mud and with made by wood, and nobody is living here. But the Bakarwal people, like Changapas community tribe, Changapas tribe, these people also lived here for only some times. When they when they goes higher lands for grazing their goods. Now, can you guess the similarity and differences in the life of the Bakarwal people and the life of Changapas? Changapas and Bakarwal people are mostly same community people, same tribe. They are also living in mountains with the grass, and they are carrying lots of goats, horses, and the dogs, and the hens with them, and they are moving. They are continuously moving one place to another place. They are migrate. They don't have their own houses and own things. They are using some lots little things for making food. They are carrying everything with them, their livelihood, and they are moving one place to another place with their goods. So you can see over here apartment in Mumbai. I am showing you the differences of the house. See, house in Kashmir, wooden house in Manali, then houseboat in Srinagar, then Rebo in Leh. Rebo is like a tent. Houses of Bakarwal people, and the house in Leh Ladakh. So we will stop here. In this way we learn many things, many places about about we learn about Changapas community people. So in this lesson here, our lesson is finished here. So good day student, bye bye.